This is the elevator at the M-2 garage at UPMC Hamot in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is just like the M1 garage. It's a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with the van-resistant buttons. It's kind of hard to press. This one is single side door and a normal cab, but this one's a scenic elevator. Has the same cab, the boiler with the rough otherwise. You go with the 6. Here you go. It's also a nice dry cover. It's different and quieter than the other one. It makes some really unsettling noises going up. You can feel them here. Go back down to 1. Erie phone. Erie Parking Authority elevators are not the best maintained. It's a basic blue cab with the rust at the bottom. It has it's just like the garage by Renaissance Center that Erie Parking Authority owns. It has a weird area between the exterior and the elevator shaft where the door and access. Whoa, it's vibrating a little bit. Made some weird noises when I called it down from 5, so let's see what it does. Oh, there's a squeak. I think I heard that going down. Oh. It makes some very unsettling noises. Slower going down. It's a newer Erie Parking Authority thing. They just put a weird access thing now. I think the shaft smoke detector battery is low and it's chirping. It's louder at the top of the shaft, which is what it would be. That causes not going to do that.